Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload font to CapCut. So here I have already on CapCut and I'm going to just go to text and click on the text. So I'm going to click on this text and I'm going to go to style. So here you can see this, there is a tab called import font. So this are the font that I import to CapCut before, and I'm going to show you how you can upload it or import also your own font to CapCut. So you need to go to font, and after that you can just click on the plus icon at here in here, and here you can just click on upload file, and then after that just find the font in your device. So here I've already downloaded, and here I'm going to add the phone. As you can see, the better yesterday that I download has been added and uploaded to CapCut. So you can just basically find the phone in the phone or any other website that is provided free phone for you. So I'm going to change it into this font that I added before. So you can see that's pretty easy on how you can upload font to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Please don't forget to click on the thanks below, like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.